Hey guys, this is Tate. I had a chance a couple days ago to fish the Big Creek again over here in central Missouri. Really nice creek. I had a previous video where I was able to catch a really nice big 18, 19 incher out there a couple weeks ago. But this one, I fished a stretch I had not fished before. It's just right off of Route J, and fished on the east and the west side of this area that I was able to get down to. So a lot of holes. This is shallower water, much greener. Don't hardly ever see any carp. See some gar, but that's about it. Good catches on this one. I hope you guys like this one. I missed a really big one, probably a 15 plus incher. I went ahead and showed that in the video. Just to show that I do miss some big ones every once in a while. Also, too, I don't show a lot of the other species that I catch on these creeks. I catch, bluegill and goggle eye and other smaller fish. Sometimes catch a gar every once in a while, but I just thought you guys would probably want to watch just this bigger smallies that I end up catching, and hopefully you guys enjoy those. So enjoy the video, and as you can imagine, I'm going to definitely be sending out more. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Got him that time. Got him that time. Sucker! Got him that time. Nice little smallmouth in the Big Creek. Not bad. That's a big smallmouth right there, boy. Hell yeah, it is. There it is right there. There it is right there. That's a big one. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Boom. Nice smallmouth. Good start of the day. Nice one. About a 13, 14 incher. Not bad. Nice fish. Man, this is a good start so far. I knew the smallies would be up here. Knew it. That was a nice sized fish. Just had to get him to come up at the right spot. Crap, look at the size of that largemouth. Holy cow. Oh, get it. Oh, man, get him. Oh, that's a good 2-pounder right there, baby. Dang, it's a nice spot bass right there. Nice spotted bass. Sitting right in front of me. About a 2-pounder. I don't know if it sees me or not. Caught him right off of this tree. Right under that damn thing. There's a bunch of them under this too. Nice. Yep, there's a bunch of them under here, especially that big one off the end. He swallowed that one. Come on, turd. Only so smallie. All off this tree in the sun. Oh, there it is right there. Oh man, I missed it. Oh, that was the smallie. That was not a, no, that was a smallmouth. See that pretty bronze? Oh, there it is right there. There it is right there. Got him that time. Got him that time. Got him that time. Got you that time, boy. Yes, I did. Yeah, I know. Chill, dude. Chill. There we go. Oh. One more time. Oh, come on. Oh, I know it. Not my fault you got tricked. There we go. Finally caught that one. Sat there and played with that fish about 20 minutes ago, over and over again, and I wouldn't hit it. Finally hit it that time though. Nice little 11, 10 or 11, maybe 12. Ah, man, these things are feisty. Feisty fish. Woo! Got splashed on that one. All right. So there's the smallmouth right there. Shit. Knew there'd be one up there. Fucker. Alright. Well, he made all the noise. Right there it is. There it is right there. Oh, Tate Mitchell. Gotta wait to set the hook, man. There it is, right there. There it is. There it is, right there. Booyah. Got you that time, boy. Sucker. Ooh, this is a fat one. Nice. Nice smallies. Man, I love this creek now. Finally found out where they're at. There it is, right there. Nice. 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 Oh! Oh, ho, ho, ho. That was a big smallie. That was a big smallie. Dang it. Right. Ooh, there's a big fish right there. Right in front of me. Come on, hit it. Hit it. There it is right there. Got it. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh yeah, this is a runner. Ooh, that's a big fish. Yeah. Nice smallmouth. That sucker you had to come over. Whew. Oh, yeah, you're active. Stay, stay. I want to take a picture of you. There we go. Not too bad. Nice 9-10 incher. A lot of carp in here. Darn it. A lot of carp and shiners in here. Oh man, missed it. What was that? Little smallie. Okay. So I gotta go down deeper. This would be a good spot for us to go. Ooh, look at those fish up there. That looks like a nice sized fish. Holy crap! Oh my god, did you see the size of that bass? Holy crap, this is a big, big bass. Oh, man, that is a monster bass. That was a big, big bass. Wow. Yep. That was a big bass down there, dude. Yep, that was a 18, 19 incher for sure. Awesome, this camera's still working. Man, come on, where you at, bass? That was a big fish. Damn, that was a big fish. Oh, there it is right there, right there. Come on, get it. Come on, get it. Come on, get it. Come on, get it, you son of a bitch. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's right there. Come on, nail it. Ooh, there we go. Nice. There we go. There we go. That's a nice little spot. Ooh, where'd he go? There's a spotty. I wonder when I was going to start catching these.